For those of you just joining us, it's 5 minutes left in the second. Kitchener Lady Rangers leading 1-0. My microphone was off for the first several minutes of the this broadcast, and it's not live streaming anyway. So if you're watching this, it's much later than 9:20. Five minutes left in the second. Kitchener Lady Rangers in blue. Your Owen Sound Ice Hawks in white. I would say the girls look good in blue. Rangers having a little difficulty getting this puck out of their own end. Global now trying to with it. Thorne coming up to help. Battle on the board. Hanning tries to scoop it around. McNulty Williams puts in the neutral zone. Hawks dump it again. Hanning puts it out. Tries to put it out. And the Hawks get a shot off. Shannon chooses to cover it. Boyd Connell now on the move, gets tipped away. Plays whistle dead. Two minutes, 51 seconds left in the second. Owen Sound tries to bank off the boards behind their own net. Owen Sound on the move. Puts the neutral zone. Hughes with it, tries to knock it out. Owen Sound keeps it in the zone. Puck comes out front. Shot off net. Cute now with it. Cute making the move. Up against the boards, being jammed up. Owen Sound takes a long shot. Gets deflected wide by Shannon. Worrell into the corner with it. Just digging. Down the Worrell, we're trying to dig it out, but it gets whistled dead due to inactivity. Buck comes back to the D. Owen Sound goes to a long shot at it. Full interrupts that plan. Thorne now. Thorne. McNulty Williams. McNulty Williams looking for a pass. Dumps it in the zone. Owen Sound sends it out. Cherry Picker picks it up. Back in the corner. Owen Sound take a shot. Gets deflected by Thorn. DDD pass by Ice Hawks. Rebounds from Shannon. Forward tips it over to Thorn. Thorn backhands it to Ruby. Ruby Torres now. Torres now moving. McNulty Williams takes a long shot from the point. Calls up front. Pucks up front. Ernst tries to poke it in, but it gets wisely covered by the Ice Hawk goalie. You're watching Kitchener Lady Ranger hockey on the JMAC Sports Entertainment Channel. 1 minute, 9 seconds left in second. Doran at the face-off. Puck's dropped. Owen Sound comes out with it. Try to clear the zone, but Doran comes back. Doran dumps it back in the corner, comes back to Connell. Connell tries to put it out front. Owen Sound takes it. They're on the move. But Taylor just stole that puck. She's going to get arrested for theft. Taylor now. Taylor is creating time and space, making her own play, making things happen. Loses it in the last cut. He's looking for an opening there. 31 seconds left in the second period. These puck gets deflected off Owen Sound. Skate. Back in the corner. Ernst gets it over to Connell. Connell now on the move. Connell has to dump it. It's chipped into the offensive zone. Owen Sound with it. Owen Sound tries to clear it. Henning keeps it in. Dumps it back in. Ernst now tries to put it out front. No one there. And that's the end of the second period. You're watching Kitchener Lady Ranger hockey on the GMAX Sports Entertainment Channel. If anyone's actually watching this live, put it on the group chat so we know what's going on. Kitchener Lady Rangers leading the Owen Sound Ice Hawks going into the third period. First goal by Allie Thorne. Game actually started a little bit early today. Kitchener Lady Rangers ready to play. Owen Sound taking the final instructions. McDonald, Tapper, Warren up front. Cute and Henning on D, starting this third period of play. Stripes is ready to drop the puck. Let's come up with it. McDonald ices it, gets called off. Warren tries to get out front. Up against the boards. Back to Cute. Cute takes the lob at the net, just off the net. Owen Sound clears his zone. McDonald picks up the loose puck. McDonald now chips it up. Tries to give it up to Tapper. It's jammed along the boards. McDonald gets it over to Henning. Henning chips it over the zone. Warren dumps it into the corner. Owen Sound tries to clear it. Henning stops that from going anywhere. KLR dumps it in, and they go for a line change. Cute now with it in the neutral zone. Over to Torres. Torres now moving. Owen Sound manages to get out of their zone. They kick it through the neutral zone. Puck comes up. Torres. Owen Sound comes up with it. Up against Henning. Henning now with it. Henning. Oh, great play behind the net. Gets it through. Oh, loses it. And the OS gets a shot off. Great save by Shannon. 10 minutes and 1 second left in the third period. Loose puck comes down the middle of the ice. Goalie goes out to meet it, and goalie wisely covers it. Doran will be taking the face off in the offensive zone with 9:44 left in the third. Stripes drops it. Owen Sound wins the draw. Taylor now tries to get a shot off. Loose puck behind the net. Connell picks it up, or it gets over to Ernst. Ernst tries to get up the D, but gets intercepted as Owen Sound tries to make some move up the middle. Taylor now picks up the loose puck. Taylor making a move, chips it over to herself. Taylor now through the neutral zone over the blue line. Taylor up, trying to go in the middle, trying to get a shot off. Has to take a shot and gets scooped out of the air by Owen Sound. Rangers do line change. McDonald takes the face off. Owen Sound comes out with it. Owen Sound just making the move, gets the shot off, goes wide. Owen Sound back behind the net. Loose puck out front. Owen Sound gets a shot off, goes wide. They come back to stuff it, try to stuff it. They have to readjust. They try to pass back to their own D. Battle in the corner for it. McDonald trying to move it. Owen Sound kicks it out. Cute now tries to shovel it back. Rodolphe Williams tries to dump it. Owen Sound now tries to chip it out. They keep it in. Happer now. Happer gets deflected away. Cute now. Cute. Owen Sound now trying to gather themselves as they make the move. Owen Sound to keep. Loose puck goes down the ice. Thorne chasing after it. It's like a bouncing ball out there. Out front to Henning. Henning takes a shot. Goes wide. It's a rebound. Rangers try to capitalize on the rebound. Can't do it. Worrell dumps it back behind the net. Thorne now. Thorne. Puck's down in the corner. Owen Sound comes up with it. Owen Sound on the move. Torres now. Back checking. Torres picks up the puck. Gets it past the stripes to Worrell. Worrell gets passed over to Fogle. Fogle now is trying to get it over. Henning picks up loose puck out of the air, drops it. Six minutes, 47 seconds left in the third period. Great moves by Owen Sound trying to make the moves. But Worrell stops that from happening. Great defensive play by Worrell. Ernst now gets it. Ernst now on the move, up the middle. Ernst tries to get it. Big save. Big save by Owen Sound. Doring at the face-off. Owen Sound with it. Owen Sound can't hang on to it. Loose puck in the corner. Doring behind the net. Doring looking for a pass. Back to Taylor. Taylor through traffic, high, over the top of the net. Doring now. Gets back to Mulcahy Williams. Gets deflected by their Owen Sound defense. They're on the move. Owen Sound pinch off. Great defensive play by McNulty Williams. He didn't let her get a shot out. Owen Sound makes a shot off net. Just picked up by Taylor. Taylor tries to chip it up to Ernst. Owen Sound picks up the loose puck. Take a shot. Covered by Shannon. Action's back underway. Morrow just battling out in the corner. Owen Sound tries to get out front. Gets a shot off, goes high. Cute now with it. Worrell tips it up to Warren. It's back to Cute in the neutral zone. Rangers with it in the neutral zone. Rangers are offside. Rangers come back on. Nope, challenge the Owen Sound as the Owen Sound moves to the neutral zone. McDonald sees the puck, goes back behind the net. Worrell now picks up the loose puck. Gets it over to Cute. Cute sends it back. Warren now. Warren tries to chip it across ice. Tapper racing after it. Owen Sound's there first. Oh, Tapper actually gets a shot towards the net, goes wide. Owen Sound dumps it. McNulty Williams picks it up. McNulty Williams now with it. Fires it around the boards. Comes up to Ruby Torres. Torres now tips it up to Thorne. Thorne now in over the blue line. Thorne couldn't get the shot off. Torres now. And that'll be a penalty going against Owen Sound. Owen Sound, 2 minutes for hooking. 3 minutes, 43 seconds left in the third period. Kitchener Lady Rangers leading 1-0. Coming at you live from the historic Grand River Arena, located in the beautiful Stanley Park neighborhood of Kitchener, Ontario. It's Thorne now. Back to Henning. Henning takes a shot. It's scooped up by the Owen Sound goal. This is Lady Rangers' first power play of the game. Storm wins the face off. Gets back to Taylor. Taylor keeps it in. Taylor now looking for a pass. Gets over Cute. Cute now. Cute back to Taylor. Taylor tries to shoot through traffic. Gets deflected by Owen Sound defenseman. Taylor go back and pick up the loose puck. One player goes high to challenge the Rangers. Over to Phobel. And Owen Sound tries to dump it back in. Cute with it now. Cute. Going with it. Cute in the neutral zone. Tips it over to Ruby Torres. Torres now. Torres tries to get it out front. Comes back to neutral zone. Taylor. Taylor with it. Taylor gets it over to Torres. Torres now. Cuts back. Puck is tipped away. Owen Sound clears it. Ices it back. 37 seconds left in this power play as OJ Worrell now with it. OJ on the move. Worrell through the neutral line. Inner row blue line. Worrell 1-on-2. Gets tipped away. Back in the corner. Passes it over to Ernst. Ernst takes a shot. Goes wide. Owen Sound chips it around. Doran now. Doran comes around, making space for herself. 8 seconds left in this power play. Doran takes a shot, gets deflected, goes wide. Doran now tries to put it up high. And that gets scooped up. Rangers have 1 second left in this power play. 1 minute, 44 seconds left in the third period. Kitchen Lady Rangers leading 1-0 against the Owen Sound IceHogs. You're watching the JMax Sports Entertainment Channel. Ernst now with it, tries to get it. Full strength for Owen Sound. Minute 36 left. Owen Sound trying to make a move. Owen Sound on the move. And Owen Sound gets called for offside. Be sure to subscribe to the JMax Sports Entertainment channel. You'll get notified whenever I post new content or go live. It's also funner to watch on the big screen. And it looks like the official here may have dropped the puck a little prematurely. All right. Owen Sound has pulled their goalie. Owen Sound has pulled their goalie. Let's face off Doran now with it. This puck. And Owen Sound offside again. Puck will be on the face-off, be on the far side of the ice, just outside the blue line, with 1 minute, 16 seconds left. Rangers go for a quick line change. McDonald, Warren, and Tapper up front. Handing Worrell out back. Owen Sound comes up with the puck in the neutral zone. Owen Sound stays onside this time. McDonald now with it. McDonald tries to tip it up to Warren. Gets it away. Owen Sound has to regroup. Owen Sound brings it up back to the neutral zone. Worrell now with it. Worrell chips it out. Loose puck in the red line. McDonald tries to pick it up, just gets mugged on the way through. Loose puck in the zone. Owen Sound comes up with it. Owen Sound on the move. And Henning knocks it away. 26 seconds left. Owen Sound getting desperate. Shannon went down and some other players came close and knocked the net off the moorings. Play was whistled dead. Rangers going for a quick line change. 16 seconds left. Thorne taking the face off. Owen Sound wins a draw and gets his shot off. Big save by Shannon. 9 seconds left. Thorne now with it. Thorne tries to clears his own. Owen Sound trying to make a move. Owen Sound trying to make the last move. And that is your game. Kitchener Lady Rangers victorious over the Owen Sound IceHogs. 1-0. Join us Sunday as we Shooting live from Walkerton, Ontario, as the Kitchener Lady Rangers take on the Walkerton Capitals. I'm Jason from JMAC Sports Entertainment. Stay tuned.